Hi everyone, welcome you all on my channel Commerce with Artist Guinea with another video of certified copy of Management Accounting of June 2024. So, okay, in this paper I have scored 53 marks and in MCQs I scored 18 marks. So, I'll try if I can speak in English. Please avoid my mistakes in paper as well as in my vocabulary also. Okay, so let's start with my answer sheet. So in MCQs I scored 18 marks. Then I started with section B. In section B, I attempt second ka A part. In this question, they have asked for financial accounting and management accounting difference. So here I wrote the difference points. I mentioned basic scope, data, dependency, users, and work and use and standard requirement. So here I tell about involves presentation and preparation of financial statements. Management accounting use cost accounting tools and techniques. ठीक है जी. Financial accounting having narrower scope, broader scope. It consists only quantitative data, qualitative data. So all these are basic points which we know, but we are not able to write all these points sometime. Financial accounting is not dependent on management accounting. Management accounting is dependent on financial accounting. Financial accounting have various users, so investors, stakeholders, creditors, and management accounting is used to by the business. Okay, so I mentioned all the points like this only. Okay ji. So like this I mentioned 3 and I mentioned 8 points, but I have given only 6 marks. Okay, so next I attempted second ka B. So this question was of cost drive. This question was of activity based costing chapter. So these are the working notes. Calculation of cost driver rates. So I attempted like this, but in this question they asked approximate rates to whole number. Actually I didn't read this during exam, but when I came to home, this got viral in Telegram groups that they were asking for approximate rates to whole number. Then I realized what blunder I did in exam. As you can see, I attempted in decimals only, but still I have got marks. I got 5 marks, so it is my mistake. We should read the question carefully. Then I attempted fourth A. They have asked for break-even point and margin of safety. Calculate the margin of safety if profit and okay. So I mentioned the formula, but I don't think so that they give mark for writing the formula in exams. They only match the answers. Is that correct or not? So my answer is correct, I think so. And no, I think there is any mistake I did, but I don't know why I've got 5 marks. So I just want to give this video very quick to all of you. Now I am shooting at this 6th December 11:43. I hope I will post this 7th December. I hope I'll be able to post this and reach this video to all of you guys. Next I attempted 4th B. So this question, yes, all these questions are asked from study. I will say this again and again. All these questions are asked from study material. All these questions are asked from past year papers. Nothing is new asked, or you can something is asked out of syllabus. No, nothing is asked out of syllabus. Everything is from our books. Everything is from past year papers. So you should do study material, past year papers very carefully again and again. Revise study material, revise past year papers again and again. We are doing revision when we are preparing for our exam. We stuck on any particular question. So this was the question I stuck on this question, and I was solving each and every question in my study material. I was not leaving even a single question from study material. My hands were like, seriously, my hands were not working during last 2-3 exams, because I was solving each and every question on calculator. I hope I am not wasting your time. So so this question is from study material. That's it. So I this was the mistake I did. I was doing in revision time also, and the same mistake I did in exam also. Okay. So yes, I got 4 marks in this question. And this was question was of cash budget. This was the biggest mistake of me, that I chose this question during exam, in the exam. uh, I don't know from where this they asked this question, like of cash budget. Cash budget is the chapter. Think from our home that we will attempt the question of cash budget. So I was also with this same mindset, but when I started attempting this question, it already took me more than 1 hour, so I was not able to attempt another question which I can attempt instead of this question or substitute of this question. So I so I क्या बोलते हैं यार. So I continue with this question. I will share my certified answer copy PDF on my Telegram channel also. So okay, I hope this is clear to you. So I tried to solve this question by any means, if I can attempt this question halfly. Or this question was of 14 marks, but this was the wrong choice of question, because this question was very lengthy. As compared to this, I left the question in the paper of third question. I earlier it was seeming difficult to me, but it was easy as compared to this cash budget question. I don't know from where they took this question and put in CMA inter. It is, I don't think so this is of CA final level or CMA final level question. It is beyond than that also. These all were out of my mind, but still I did a lot of time pass in this question. But I tried that I can attempt this question. I scored marks. In this question I got 7 marks. In this question I only get marks for step marking, because I was not able to solve this question perfectly. Then I attempted 7th ka A part. This question was of economic value I did. Now I will tell you what mistake I did during exam in this question. So this was 7th ka A. I was not supposed to see here. So in exam question I solved the answer only seeing this part. I didn't see this part, and I give an assumption in the answer. In this question no debt rate is given. In this question no debt rate is given. None of the debt or equity cost of employed is not given. Even ROI or R return on. This was the question. I was fully prepared. This was my favorite question. I was very prepared for this, but I give a wrong assumption because I was not able to see this side of the page. आई वॉज ओनली सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन, सिर्फ ये वाला पार्ट दे के. और मेरे को ये हिंदी में बताने दो. तो मैंने पेपर में क्या किया, मुझे सिर्फ ये पार्ट दिख रहा था और मैं घंटे लगा दिए मैंने. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट किया मैंने इस क्वेश्चन पे पेपर में, कि मैंने सिर्फ ये पार्ट देखा और मैंने पेपर में ये पार्ट देखा ही नहीं कि हाँ ये भी दिया हुआ है, ये नंबर्स भी दिए हुए हैं. और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये क्वेश्चन अधूरा क्यों दिया हुआ है, मतलब आधा, लाइक वाई दिस क्वेश्चन इज हाफ. सो आई गिव माई असम्पशन. सो आई गॉट 0 मार्क्स. सो यस, प्लीज़ क्वेश्चन आप ध्यान से देखिए, आगे पीछे देखिए, कोई क्वेश्चन आपका छूट तो नहीं गया, कोई क्वेश्चन आपका रह तो नहीं गया. सो नेक्स्ट आई अटेम्प्टेड 6th का A. This is wrong. This question was of variable overhead, fixed overhead. I was not able to do all this. Actually, I wasted all my time on this question, EVA and cash budget, which was a wrong choice of question, because it took a lot of time. But like in last examination, cash budget was very difficult. I can say कि you should attempt cash budget, because I don't think so that they will repeat this type of question again and again. So cash budget is a chapter which you can cover in FMBDA or cost accounting and management accounting also. So when you are preparing for cost accounting, for cash budget, I don't remember that the cash budget chapter is in cost accounting also or not. But yes, if there is question, if there is also the same chapter, then you can during revision time, then you can leave in management accounting. Okay, so then I did this sixth ka B. This question was of purchase budget. So this question is correct of mine. This was regarding gadgets, so I got 7 marks in this. Then I attempted 7th ka B, which is wrong. So this question was of log, but I was not prepared for log. So we can't say that you can't leave any